Investors are seeking for improved methods to forecast the value of a cryptocurrency's digital assets as the cryptocurrency market continues to see rising levels of consumer interest. In today's video, we will look at Ethereum price prediction. So stay with us till the end to know some crazy facts. Ethereum currently ranks as the second most valued cryptocurrency on the market, ETH. Because there are so many factors that influence the price of ETH, it can be challenging for investors to make accurate price predictions regarding the cryptocurrency. For these and other reasons, investors are increasingly looking to artificial intelligence, AI, as a tool to assist them in predicting the price of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum. Because there is so much data available on Ethereum and the cryptocurrency market as a whole, AI is able to quickly identify chart patterns and trends. Artificial intelligence, AI, appears to have the ability to analyze massive amounts of data. Coin Price Forecast is a platform for financial prediction that makes use of machine self-learning technology. In turn, Finbold has gathered the projections that Coin Price Forecast has made in order to estimate the price of Ethereum at the end of 2023. Are you still there? So make sure you subscribe our channel to know the fluctuation in the crypto market. Also give a thumbs up right away. Alright, let's continue. According to the most recent long-term forecast, which Finbold obtained on February 23, the price of Ethereum will rise above $2,000 by the middle of 2023 and reach $2,146 by the end of the year, which will represent an increase of 31% from where it is currently to where it will be at the end of the year. Artificial intelligence is able to incorporate newly available data into its analysis and alter its forecasts accordingly as more data becomes available. Artificial intelligence has the potential to assist investors with more accurate projections as new information comes to light. But, in order to have a comprehensive understanding of the cryptocurrency market's sentiment on a day-to-day basis and the overall picture of the cryptocurrency's future price outlook, one must also take into account the results of technical analysis and the opinions of market analysts. The one-day gauges for Ethereum's technical indicators on TradingView are optimistic, with the summary aligning with the strong buy sentiment at 17, and moving averages being for the strong buy sentiment at 14. In the case of 3 oscillators are indicating a buy signal. In the meantime, a specialist in cryptocurrency trading named Michael Van de Poppy mentioned that $1,600 is a reliable level at which to search for long positions with Ethereum, given that the digital asset is likely to continue its upward trend. Lastly, given that the Shanghai upgrade on Sepolia is scheduled to take place on February 28, it is possible that investors will witness a price increase in ETH sooner rather than later. It is likely that artificial intelligence will become even more widespread in the process of investing in cryptocurrencies as the cryptocurrency market continues to expand and develop. While Ethereum is on the verge of undergoing the merge, a phenomenon known as triple halving might take place in the network. The term halving refers to a function that is prominently built into the software that underpins Bitcoin. Its primary purpose is to maintain Bitcoin's monetary value over time by periodically lowering the rate of inflation. In the past, Bitcoin halving occurrences have directly aligned with the beginning of bull runs in the cryptocurrency market. When the merge takes place, Ethereum will make the switch from being a network that is secured by miners to being a network that is secured by validators. As a result of this change, it is anticipated that Ethereum's inflation rate will fall from almost 4.13% to 0.49%. In addition, it is anticipated that the total amount of new ETH that is issued will decline by 90%. Overall, the reduced supply of ETH will create a deflationary property that will help ETH become a better store of value in the coming months. This is due to the fact that the supply of ETH will be reduced. In conclusion, the most recent report from CoinShares indicates that Ethereum's inflows for the month as a whole increased by $18 million. From the beginning of the previous month, a heightened institutional interest in anticipation of the merge has been emphasized by these inflows. Recently, Ethereum's testnets were successfully merged, which raises the possibility that additional funding may start coming in to fuel a potential bull run. Shouldn't one be on the lookout for a few warning signs, though? The only possible reaction that would be caused by the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates in a credible scenario is a decrease in the value of equities and crypto assets. Because of this, the immediate possibilities of a bull run may be delayed, which may have a negative effect on the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. To top it all off, the assertion that OFAC restrictions could eventually lead to censorship may be an exaggeration, but there is no doubt that they have sparked a heated discussion among members of the community. After the price of Bitcoin dropped from $3,521 to $1,033 on the weekly timeframe in March 2022, a powerful bearish momentum began to drive the chart. This momentum continued until April 2022. Yet, the months of August, September, and October of that year witnessed some positive developments. As a result of the recent decline in price momentum, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has been located below the line that indicates neutrality at 50, and the Chaikin Money Flow, CMF, has been located below the line that indicates 0. In a chart with a lesser time frame, daily, the same thing was observed, with a significant upward surge occurring in January 2023. Since the mainnet of Ethereum was merged in September of the previous year, there is a possibility that rising investor interest, institutional funding, and social volumes may work in favor of the alternative cryptocurrency. In addition to this, investors should keep a close eye on the macroeconomic implications, which might potentially extend the negative trend. Traders who want to trade in the direction of the trend, on the other hand, should wait for a bullish trend before commencing to buy the alternative cryptocurrency. Traders will benefit from employing RSI and CMF indicators in the event that ETH experiences movement in either direction. The Ethereum network is getting ready for the Shanghai upgrade, which will make it possible to withdraw ETH that has been staked. It has been argued by some that this will result in a flood of newly issued ETH entering the market. However, it is more likely that this will have the opposite effect because it will complete the transition of Ethereum to a consensus mechanism based on proof of stake. In point of fact, the fact that individuals are able to withdraw the benefits they have earned through staking will motivate more people to participate in the Ethereum ecosystem. At the same time, Shanghai introduces a number of updates that are required if Ethereum is to implement innovations such as sharding, which will enable it to process transactions in parallel. Shanghai also introduces a number of new features. In other words, Shanghai propels Ethereum farther along the path of becoming a more scalable network, and the consequence of this development will most likely be an increase in the price of Ethereum. Once the current decline in price has run its course, ETH might rise to $1.700 from where it is currently trading. After that, the coming of Shanghai as well as other encouraging adoption news might drive it up to $1.800 and higher, with the possibility of hitting $2.000 by the middle of the year. In a broader sense, there are a variety of reasons to believe that price increases will continue through 2023. To begin, the merge and other upgrades like EIP 1559 have given ETH a tendency to become deflationary during times of busier activity. This is because of the merge's impact on the network. We may anticipate even more ETH being removed from exchanges when the Shanghai protocol is put into action and as staking gains popularity more generally. The end result of this is that, in conjunction with EIP 1559 and other upgrades that are considered to be deflationary, the supply of ETH will be reduced, which will lead to an increase in the price of the coin. This is it for today. Thanks for watching.